Welcome to JH. Today, I'm going to show you how to download FilmPlus on your Fire Stick, because apparently, the standard library just isn't cutting it for you. Start by grabbing the Downloader app. Head to the search icon, type in Downloader, and hit that download button. Try to contain your excitement while it installs. Once you see the Ready to Launch message, ignore your instincts and head back to the home screen instead, because we have some digital gatekeeping to bypass. Open your settings, click on My Fire TV, and then select About. Now, hover over your Fire Stick's name and click the Select button on your remote exactly 7 times. It's a bit like a secret handshake for tech geeks, but eventually, a message will pop up saying you're now a developer. Congratulations on your new, entirely imaginary career path. Now, go back to My Fire TV, and you'll find that Developer Options has magically appeared. Click into that menu. Select Install Unknown Applications, find the Downloader app, and toggle it to On. We're basically telling the device to stop being so overprotective and let us install what we want. With the device finally prepared, open Downloader and head to the URL bar. Bring up the keyboard, type in FilmPlus, and hit Go. Select the Download Now button, wait for the installation to finish, and then hit Done. You've successfully navigated the maze. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.